Cool. So our objective today, we're doing lesson 4. So we're going to read and write multi-digit numbers using base 10 numerals, number names, and expanded form. So all that means is we're going to use, we're going to work with multi-digit numbers and write them in different ways. Okay? So multi-digit just means like this is a single digit number. Multi-digit can be anywhere from adding another digit to adding a billion other digits, okay? Something like that, okay? You can go after Lily, okay, Alex? All right. So, we're going to bounce forward a bit, so I'm kind of out of time. Ooh. Okay, great. So, I'm just going to do this part. You guys can just watch, okay? So, it says, write a 4-digit number in expanded form. So, I'm going to write this number in my place value chart. So, I see the number 1,708. So, I have 1,708. Okay? If for some reason I don't know where to begin, like where to write those digits, I can always start from the ones place and work my way over, okay? So let's say I didn't know where that 1 was supposed to go. I can start with the digit that's in the ones place, okay? What digit is that?
8.
Class, what digit is that?
8.
8, good. So I can start with that digit and work my way over to the left. Does everybody see that?
Yes.
Okay. Everybody knows how to put a number in a place value chart?
Yes.
Good. All right. So then it says write a 4-digit number in expanded form. So check it out. When you hear the word expanded, don't say anything out loud, but I want you to think about what you think about when you hear the word expanded. Okay? I'm kind of already doing it with my hands, just a habit at this point. But think about what you hear think about what you hear when you hear the word expanded. What do you think about? When I snap my fingers, tell your group what you think about when you hear the word expanded. Ready? Go.
Like something like a giant donuts or squish races or squish
All right. Give me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right. I saw a lot, if you are like me and you talk with your hands, I saw a lot of people going like this, right? Or like making like a big motion like that, right? Owen, can you share what you said in your group?
You said that when you're expanding something, you're kind of like making it like, say like you have a small thing or something, but it's stretchy, you can like pull it out and make it like bigger.
Yeah, exactly. So if you have something stretchy, you can pull it out and make it bigger. Exactly. Noah?
Kind of like from science class, when the water particles are released, how they expanded.
Ooh, okay, yeah. So connecting it to science, when water particles are released, it expands, right? Or if you even think about, still sticking with the science thing, right? Oftentimes, like a liquid or a gas will fill the space that it's given, right? So it expands into the space going outward, right? Good. So Dylan, you're going to go after Alex. Okay. I heard someone talk about a marshmallow. Who was that?
Me.
Okay. So you guys, well, Avery, but maybe Avery told you, right? So can you speak more to that, Avery?
So I was just like thinking that like when I microwave a s'more, the microwave just makes it go bigger.
Yeah, good. We add heat and it gets bigger, right? So the main point of expanded form means it gets bigger, right? Isaac, I'm sorry, go ahead.
On Saturday when I made s'mores, when I finished making the s'more, all of a sudden the marshmallow exploded.
Oh no. Oh my gosh. Where were you making it? Like in the microwave or like over a fire?
Over a fire.
Whoa, okay.
I guess a bit of pressure set off the little bomb that let all of the little come out.
Yeah. Dang, crazy. Yeah, so we want to expand it, but maybe not to the point where it explodes, right? Okay, good. So Adler, can you explain to Lily what expanded form is while I write it up here? Cool. All right. So writing this number in expanded form. Okay? Looks a little funky, but what did you notice about it?
It took all the numbers and like
Yeah, it expanded, right?
and then told you like how I put this together. It's 1,000 plus 700 plus 8.
Good. So we're talking about the different digits and their value. Okay? Good. Yeah, I'll let you finish that. Go ahead. Okay. Kind of get it, Lily? Kind of what expanded form? Okay.
Breaking the number down.
Cool. Yeah, exactly. So, check it out, guys. This is important. The most important thing I want you to recognize about expanded form. Okay? When we write a number in expanded form, okay, it helps us to understand the value of each of the digits in the number. Okay? So remember the vocab I kind of taught you yesterday. This is a number, right? A big number, 1,708. But each of these little guys that make up the number is called a what? Go.
Digit.
Digit. Love it. Give yourself a pat on the back if you said digit. Good. So, each of these digits is not just a 7, right? This 7 is not a 7. It's a what?
700.
700. Okay? This 1 is not a 1. It's a what?
1,000.
1,000. Okay? This is 8 ones, right? And then 0 tens. Notice how I didn't write tens up here. Why did I not write the tens up here? Lily?
Because there's 0 tens, and
Yeah.
if you did write the tens, there would really be a way of writing.
Right, yeah. And you technically could write it, okay? You technically could put 1,000 plus 700 plus 0 plus 8. But 0 equals what, guys? 0, nothing, right? It's a nothing number. So it's really not necessary to put that 0 in there. If you put that like on a test or something, I'm not going to mark you wrong. But I'm just saving you a little extra work. You don't have to put the 0 in there, okay? So questions about expanded form?
No.
Make sense? Okay, everybody point to it and say expanded form.
Expanded form.
Good, like you're casting a spell. Say expanded form.
Expanded form.
There it is. There's my Harry Potter fans. You love it. All right, cool. Moving on. So now, if you could go to the blank side of your whiteboard, okay? Actually, scratch that. You can go to the place value side of your whiteboard. Don't do anything else, but just write this number in your place value chart. Fill it into its spot. Yeah, Abby. There's kind of a line right now, so it's going Alex and then Jill and I think it, and then it'll be me, okay? So go to the place value side of your whiteboard and write that number in there, okay? Is that thing grab a piece of paper on the back of the paper? I'll drop it there. Okay, I have that. Can I get it back in the back though? Okay, it just goes in this little bin. Okay, so go quick. Don't worry about outlining it or anything like that. Perfect. I do want you to put it in the place value. Okay? So go ahead and label your place value chart and then put it in the right. Okay? So label your place value chart and then put each digit in its correct spot. Okay? Yeah, that's fine. I'm gonna move kind of fast because I only got like 10 more minutes with you, okay? So I gotta move kind of fast. So, we're gonna write this just in our place value chart. So if I'm not sure where to put that to, I can start from which place value, which digit? The ones, right? Whatever digit's in the ones place. What digit is in the ones place? 5. Good, class. So I'm gonna put 5 here, 8 here, 0, hundreds, 7,000, 10,000, okay? And then I can put a comma, but we don't necessarily need to if it's in the place value chart, okay? Everybody good on that so far?
Yeah.
All right, cool. If you're not, it's cool, but try and catch up, okay? So let's see, don't worry about outlining it. Your job right now is putting that number in there. Hear me? Okay. All right, great. So now you're going to try to write it in expanded form, okay? Now, when you write in expanded form, you do want to start on the left, okay? So notice that I have 2 10,000s, okay? So is this two 10,000s right here?
That's
No, that's 2,000, right? So I gotta multiply that by 10. So what is 2 times 10? Go.
20,000.
Oh, 2 times 10?
Oh no. 20.
20, okay? So I'm gonna start you off, and then you're gonna do the rest. So 20,000 plus, and then you do the rest. Ready, go. If you have to go like down below it on like a second line, that's totally fine. I know, like my talking. Finish the rest. 20,000 plus, what's the next one? What number is that? 7. What place do I do now? Yeah, put plus 7. You don't have to, but you can. Yes, yes, and keep going. Plus. And then you can. Oops, plus. Good, plus. Then you don't have to put 0. Just go here, right? What's the next one? 8, what? I think what's next to the 1s? 10. So what's 8? 10. Yeah, there you go. There you go. And then do the last part. All right, cool. So go ahead and look up here. We have 20,000 plus what? Go.
7,000.
Good. Plus what? Go.
80.
80. Nice. Oops, my bad. Still, I'm like, all thinking about commas right now, okay? 80 plus what?
5.
Plus 5. Okay. Everybody understand expanded form?
Yes.
Okay. You can go after Adam, okay? All right. So this is expanded form. Everybody good to move on? All right. It also says to write the 5-digit number in word form. Word form, okay? So it's exactly what it sounds like, friends. When you hear word form, it's exactly what it sounds like. You're going to be doing a lot of writing, okay? Just fair warning, you're doing a lot of writing today, but it's okay, okay? So word form is exactly what it sounds like. So I have 2, oh, not 2. I'm sorry. 27, and you don't have to write this, just kind of look up here. 27,000 85.
Should we be writing this down?
You don't need to write it down, you can just look up here. So this is word form, my friends. Word form. Does everybody see why it's called word form?
Yeah, because it's in word form.
Because it's in words, right? It's in words. So I wrote the number, okay, in words. So this up here is called standard form. Everybody point to this and say standard form.
Standard form.
I don't see you pointing. Point to this and say standard form.
Standard form.
Good. Everyone point to this and say expanded form.
Expanded form.
Good. I didn't see everybody that time, so everybody in class, here we go. Point to that and say expanded form.
Expanded form.
Still not seeing everybody, but that's fine. Here we go. Point to this one and say word form.
Word form.
Word form. Okay? So questions about these 3 different forms.
I do not no questions.
Okay. All right. Great. Notice one last thing I want to say about word form. Okay. Notice how I didn't write it in expanded form in words, right? Notice how I didn't say 20,000 plus 7,000 plus 80 plus 5. That's not what I'm writing. May I look over here, please? Not looking at each other. Okay. So I wrote it like as if I was going to read the number, right? So this number is 27,085. That's exactly what I wrote down here. 27,085. Okay? Are we good? I think that's pretty much it.
Did we
Okay.
erase the board?
You may erase your board, yeah.
Now you're going to explain homework?
close your board. Erase it and close it. Does anyone need a tissue? Okay. Andres, you can go after Azul. Okay? Erase your board and close it up and look up here. What's wrong? You guys good? Kendall, what do you need? Give me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Your board should be erased and your folder should be closed. Board erased and folder closed. Nice, you guys. Have to go ahead and close it up. There you go. Thank you, Logan. Once you're done, close it up. Okay? Jenny, go ahead and close yours too, friend. Andres, go ahead and close yours. There you go. When I say close, I mean close. All right, here we go. Last thing I'm going to say. So on your homework, you're going to be converting. Okay, converting just means to change. Okay, so you're going to change it from standard form to expanded form to word form, blah, blah, blah. So here, what form is this? Go.
0.
Oh, what form is this word in? Or number in?
Number 4. Expanded form.
Guys, look how big it is and expanded it is. What form is this number in?
Expanded.
Thank you, okay? When you see a bunch of pluses, that means it's an expanded form, okay? So now it wants me to change from expanded form to standard form and word form, okay? So it'll give you a number like this, and then you have to convert it to the other ones, okay? So we're not just always going to start in standard form, okay? So if I'm writing this in standard form, okay, this is what that would look like, right? Oh, no, it wouldn't. Hold on. This is 700,000, my bad. 700,000, and then this is 8,000. So what place value am I missing between those two?
10,000.
10,000, thank you to that one person, awesome. So it would be 700,000, 0 10,000s, and then how many thousands, friends? Go. 8. Okay, so 708,573. Okay, my bad. Don't be like Miss Witt. Don't forget that. Okay.
I mean, we can be like you.
Yeah, that's true. But don't make mistakes like her. Okay. All right. Everybody understand that? What's going on there? All right.
Don't
Cool.
worry.
I'm gonna get you your homework. Okay. So
Paper
yeah, paper monitors. Come on up. Go ahead and just raise your hand if you have questions. Put one on every desk. Yeah, Christian.
Can I get homework for Wednesday?
Can I get it to you later? Because I don't have it ready.